Hello everyone, this is Virginia from Handmade Envy. Just wanted to show you the finished product of the tutorial I did a couple days ago with the epoxy and the glitters and the notebook molds. This is the finished product. It came out so good. Here is the page opened. This kit came from Hobby Lobby. I got it when it was 50% off. It matches beautifully. As you can see, there's some blue in there. I could have totally added blue to this, but I'm fine with it the way it came out. How pretty is that? These binder rings are from the Zutter cutter. Old, had them for a long time. I also have the new one, the cinch I think it's called, but I haven't used it yet. I'm waiting on some metal ones to come in, but they haven't came in, of course. But I hope the lighting is good on this. But it came out super cool. So when you're using these molds, which are super inexpensive, I always buy in quantities of 2 so that I can duplicate the look somewhat as much as possible. And I always make sure to just be creative. Have a great day.